Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You want to start removing that sticker now. Heat the edges with a hair dryer for 30 to 60 seconds so the adhesive softens. This reduces tearing. While heating, slide a plastic scraper under a corner. Lift gently at a low angle to avoid scratching stainless steel. Once you've lifted a corner, keep the dryer nearby and reapply heat as you peel. This step-by-step approach prevents residue buildup and preserves the plate's finish, because heat temporarily lowers adhesive strength and makes controlled peeling possible. You should peel steadily, not yank. If the sticker tears, reheat the area and continue from a new corner, because repeated heat keeps the glue pliable. Once most material is off, saturate a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and press it onto remaining residue for 30 to 60 seconds so the solvent breaks the bond. Then rub in small circular motions to lift adhesive. Make sure to avoid steel wool or metal scrapers that can scratch. If bits persist, repeat soak and rub until the surface is clear. You're nearly done. Wash the plate with warm soapy water to remove alcohol and loosened adhesive, then rinse and dry with a microfiber cloth. Drying prevents water spots. Once dry, buff following the steel grain to restore shine and inspect closely for tiny sticky patches. If you find stubborn residue, apply a small amount of cooking oil for 5 to 10 minutes to dissolve the glue, then repeat the alcohol clean. This troubleshooting tip works when solvents alone don't. Make sure to re-clean to remove any oily film.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.